So this is a peek at the dimensional floor plan that I was able to receive from the facilities department after my in-laws had committed to the exact apartment that they wanted to move into. You're going to notice the heating and AC registers are marked. Here is the key where the outlets are, the cable, and the phone outlet. Now, also, all these dimensions are written in, so they were field measured by the facilities director, and you can see where the doors are and how they swing. So, Andrea has her facilities manager provide something very similar to this. So, you would have this information. Now, why is this amount of detail necessary? If you would have placed everything on the other floor plan, number one, you don't know if the scale is right. And number two, you don't know where the outlets are. And this is one of the most important things on the plan that you need to make sure that you receive. So, in their main living room here, their television could be connected in this location only. So that dictates how I'm going to place the sideboard that will support their flat screen television and how I created their furniture arrangement. Let's see here. As you can see, that's there, and the couch is very clearly measured, and I cut little post-its to scale. I used a ruler, and everything is to scale. Then I was able to place my furniture on here. Notice here I'm floating a blue chair with ottoman, so the ottoman can be turned around here and used for an extra seat if there are more visitors there. And I've also included some collapsible chairs right here for a little kitchen table. And those can be brought around for if it's a birthday or something like that.